Good morning, guys. Praful here. Today is 7th of July. Today is Wednesday, and the market has been all over the places. When I say all over the places, it's literally all over the places. So, first we opened flat and we broke the yesterday's low, and we went 20-30 points below the yesterday's low, which seemed like the market's going to break down and hit close this gap which is there here. But there was a massive buying in HDFC, and even IT was totally manipulated, and the put side IV spiked, the call side IV spiked, like everywhere, it was kind of forcing me to do lots of adjustments, and at one point I was down by almost 12-13k, and right now we are trading cost to cost. Thoda negative mein hi hai, but that's okay. Don't look at this profits. This profits is from the covered call, so this is the today's position which we are cost to cost. And on the Bank Nifty account, I had taken a 35,500 straddle, but just within like 3 or 4 minutes I had to I had to cut out my position because Bank Nifty had a solid up move, and the Bank Nifty almost moved like 200 points in a span of less than 2 minutes. So the pricing of the options and the movement that we are seeing, they have not even close. Like both are like एक आसमान है एक जमीन है, जमीन आसमान का फर्क है इस पे. And we are, and even the IVs are kind of spiking everywhere. So but it's okay, we are still in a manageable situation. But at any point of time, if I head back to again 10k, most probably I'll call it a day, because it's not worth, it's not worth. Wednesdays Thursdays आ गया तो खत्म बात. निफ्टी आईटी को इतना ज्यादा मैनिपुलेट करके पूरा इंडेक्स को मैनेज करते हैं, so it's just impossible to take a gauge of what Nifty IT might do next. पहले ऐसा नहीं था, because Nifty IT का भी derivatives थे, as in Nifty IT में भी futures and options में positions build होते थे. But now that Nifty IT doesn't have a derivative position, it's just being used left and right to manipulate the markets. And that's market. And if we need to work in the markets, I think we need to get used to all this unfairness. All right, guys. I need to make an adjustment. So I have completely pulled out of my position because Nifty IT is tanking. Look at this. Nifty IT broke the day's low. It's tanking. Reliance has broke the day's low. It's tanking, almost like 1% down. And it's just that the strength was coming from HDFC, and even HDFC is kind of retracing. So now the option premiums are so cheap, and a lot of put writing has happened at super cheap option prices, which makes me think that if at all we start heading slightly below 15,780 or something, even these 15,700 puts will spike up a bit too much. So that's why I have completely come out of my position. If I had held on to another 2 or 3 minutes, I would have made somewhere around another 1 point or so. But risking like 3 or 4 points just to make like 1 point is not a good trade setup. So that's why I've decided to call it a day. So even though Wednesday is in favor of option sellers, considering the fact that we have accelerated theta decay, but as of now, not very interested. And all right, guys, the time is 5 o'clock, and I just came back home. And though for the majority part of the session, market did look sideways. It was sideways, but last यहाँ पे जो up move दिखाया, so that I think the calls must have spiked. I don't know, I didn't see the premiums that keenly, but of course the premiums would have spiked, like 1500 call. Okay, the 1500 call is at 32. All right, so the premiums have definitely spiked, and there must have been a good amount of unwinding. चलो देखते हैं क्या हुआ. The 1500 call almost doubled in the last half an hour. The last half an hour में जो move आया है उसमें 1500 call has almost doubled. जो last 5 minutes में, if you look at this, I keep telling you guys, Greeks are only some sort of a retrofitting model. जो Black-Scholes equation है, Greeks है, they're just a retrofitting model. हमेशा they don't work, because at the end it's all supply and demand. Market participants के ऊपर रहता है even the option prices. Option market itself is a different market. So look at this. Last 5 minute का candle कैसा है? It's a proper red candle, right? So the market fell from 893 to 878, almost 15 points गिरा है. But look at the last 5 minute candle of 1500 call. You see, obviously a call option should go down if the market should go down, right? अगर market नीचे आया तो call option भी नीचे आना चाहिए था. But the call option spiked 5 rupees. At some point it had spiked almost 7-8 rupees. Though we had a red candle in the last 5 minutes. So that's why it's always good to know what Greeks are and all that, but don't make it your Bible. मतलब Greeks के हिसाब से हमेशा मत चलो, चलता नहीं है. Especially close to expiry, the option premiums have lot of gamma effect and whatnot. So at the end, it's all about how fast someone wants to unwind, how fast someone wants to buy, how fast someone wants to sell. So इसके ऊपर ही सब रहता है. So that's one thing I want to tell. And as far as the positions are concerned, minus 1.5k here. ये मत देखो, यहाँ पे around 6k, 5.7k कुछ दिख रहा है. That is because of the covered call positions. So minus 1.5k here and minus 1.4k here. So 2.9k loss है. 2.9k क्या? 3k समझ लो. Yeah, 3k loss है. So what's my covered call doing? Of course, I'm gonna explain you guys like what the covered call was. पहले मैंने Bank Nifty July futures, I had long July future, and then I had shorted a July 35,000 call, and to collect some extra credit I had shorted 35,500 call of the same expiry. तो जब ये 88 रुपीज पे मैंने शॉर्ट किया है वो बन रहा था 328 रुपीज के आसपास बन रहा था. सो इन ऑर्डर टू प्रोटेक्ट दिस ब्लीडिंग कॉल, थोड़ा मतलब अपसाइड की तरफ और थोड़ा मतलब लीवे देने के लिए मैं क्या किया, 35,500 पुट को भी मैंने शॉर्ट किया था 101 रुपीज पे. वहां पे मुझे कितना हो गया, दैट हैज बिकम नाउ 56. सो उसमें से थोड़ा बहुत इसका लॉस जो है वो बच रहा है. व्हाट आई एम गोना डू टुमारो, सी सिंस टुमारो इज थर्सडे, सो आई एम गोना कम एंड आई एम गोना शॉर्ट अनदर at the money put option. Like I'll close this. Actually मुझे अभी close करना चाहिए था. When I saw that the market was trending higher, I should have ideally closed this. अभी close करके ही 35,600 put short करना चाहिए था. But since I was not looking at the screen, so this got missed. But okay, it's even now the covered call is still doing quite well. क्योंकि ये 1.5 के अगर loss निकाल देंगे तो even now it's somewhere around 7.2, 7.3 के दे रहा है. And the margin blocked is like what? 3.6 lakhs, so almost 2% दे रहा है within a span of 3-4 days. Not bad, but still I don't want to book a loss in this. अगर loss इसमें book करने का point भी आ जाता है, so I want to make that loss as minimum as possible because I want to take as much credit from the put side as possible. And yeah, the market was not exactly tricky, but premiums काफी कम थे and that would have made the market a bit hard to manage. So that's my trading day, guys. I hope you guys also had a good trading session. And tomorrow कल expiry है. Well, come to the expiry with some amount of positive bias. We have to come to the expiry with some amount of positive bias because we are just inches away from the all-time high. Like we're just 35 points away from the all-time high. अगर कल all-time high तोड़ देता है, then most probably like we'll see some further short covering up move क्योंकि already shorts काफी ज्यादा built up है system में because 5900, 850, 800 के आसपास भी काफी ज्यादा call shots थे. तो जैसे ये call shots भागना शुरू कर देते हैं, that will propel the market in the same direction even to a further extent. So tomorrow for me the threat is towards the upside. अगर मार्केट ऊपर की तरफ भागता है तो उससे ज्यादा थ्रेट है ना कि नीचे की तरफ. तो इवन लाइक यू गाइस शुड बी केयरफुल अबाउट द कॉल्स rather than the puts tomorrow. So that would be my hypothesis. But let's see like overnight क्या sentiments change होता है क्या, and like how the SGX Nifty opens tomorrow and how the US markets play today. So depends on a lot of factors. We'll take it as a fresh day tomorrow. All right. So I hope you guys had a good trading session. I'll see you guys tomorrow. कल शायद पूरे दिन के लिए ट्रेड करूंगा मैं.